You've gotten your NAPSA money, or you're about to, but you're not sure what you're going to do with this money. Here are 5 options you could possibly consider. Comment in the comment section what you would do or what you're doing with your NAPSA handout. Like, what investment are you considering? So if you want to get some suggestions, watch till the end and let me know in the comments what you think. Hey guys, Matilda here. Now, I know most of us were not expecting to get the NAPSA Lumpsum money now. Like, I wasn't expecting this issue to happen at least until year 4 of the new Dawn government, but it's come now. Now, one thing I'd like to mention or actually observe is victory loves preparation. So if we were not prepared for it, I can only imagine what our minds would get up to if we're thinking of what am I going to do with all this lump sum. And if we do not come up with solutions quickly, we might blow it up, and next thing we know, we do not know where the money went. So this video is to help you come up or possibly consider what you could do or what options are available for you with your lump sum money that could actually set you up for the near future or the long-term future with how your finances go, and also just what your life will look like if you make the right moves right now with this lump sum that only happens once. The very first thing you could actually consider, which is one of my favorite, is paying off a debt or reducing your monthly obligations. So for example, if you're getting a certain amount of money from the NAPSA Cash out and it's not enough to clear your entire debt, you could still reduce your monthly obligation by paying off a lump sum, and then their calculations or the bank's calculations will come down. So for example, if you are paying or servicing a loan for 3,000 kwacha a month, and once you pay a certain amount where you bring down that monthly obligation, and they say, okay, we can now allow you to service your loan for 2,000 kwacha a month. What this has essentially done is freed up a 1,000 kwacha for you. Now, that money is not to be blown away. It can be used either to save for future consumption, or you can save it for, you can put it towards your emergency fund. Or you can still keep the same 3,000 servicing your loan so that you clear off that loan really quickly in no time. Because remember, a loan is expensive. So the longer you take, the more expensive it is. So that would set you up for your future. It will really help you with the burden of loans and all those things. So that's the first thing you could consider. So make sure to speak to your banker before you do that and come up with a strategy. Make your calculations and understand what is going to happen and what it would look like after you make such a move. Secondly, you could invest in treasury bills and or bonds. So these are safe options because you are essentially lending to the government and the government honors its word. So you could actually create, with bonds, for example, that are more long-term, you could create some sort of cash flow situation because the payment coupons happen about twice a year. So you have actually some payments coming in for, let's say, the next 5 years. If you pick 5 years or 10 years biannually, and you're able to actually plan and, move your money around in that regard. So those are your options you could consider. The third option you could consider is joining a savings group if you haven't already. Now, if you've already joined the savings group, you can actually take your NAPSA money there, if it's a safe village group that is, and then get a good yield on your money. You can get a good return on your money because savings group actually on average can give you up to 30% return on your money, which is good. Not many investment options actually do that. So you could actually take your NAPSA lump sum amount to your savings groups or your village banking group and actually enjoy the return at the end of the cycle. Now, bear in mind that the savings groups are more short-term. For most of them, they run about 12 months, which is 1 year. So you can actually take that and put it in the savings group, and after some time, you will take it out, and then you will know what to do with it then because you would have planned. And victory loves preparation. The fourth option you could actually consider is starting a business. Now, if you've always had that desire in the back of your mind and you have a side hustle and you're thinking, you know what, maybe. So make sure your calculations are right. You can invest in your side hustle or you can start a business. You can watch my video on what business to do in 2023 and get some ideas, and you can actually start investing in yourself, in your business, and watch yourself explode because business is one of the highest returning investment options you can have. And actually, as much as it's high returning, it's also a high risk place. So make sure to think it through. And if you're new to the business space, please start with your toes in the water. Don't dive right in. Take it easy. I wish you all the best in business if you're taking that option. The fifth option you can consider is investing in yourself. Now, by investing in yourself, I mean whether you're going to pay for an academic program, or you're going to get a course, or you're going to, pay for your health, or whatever it is, something that makes you a better version of yourself, invest in it. Because when you're better, all your decisions after that are better. And what better place or person to invest in than yourself, because you know you. So invest in yourself and see the benefits that come from there. So guys, remember to share, like, and subscribe to this channel. Additionally, comment in the comment section what options you think are good options to consider. What would you do, or what are you doing? Let me know in the comment section. And hit that bell button so that you're notified of any and all uploads I make to you. See you soon.